At Intellinox, we believe that the greenest energy of all is the energy that we don't use. This is why we created ECOAZUR, the most advanced intelligent demand control kitchen ventilation system that provides both unprecedented energy efficiency and comfort to commercial kitchens. Offered through a global network of distribution partners, ECOAZUR was designed specifically for professional kitchens. With ECOAZUR, you can take advantage of a wide airflow modulation range with sophisticated and reliable optical sensor technology, independent airflow control at every hood with safe and easy-to-install modulating damper technology, an easy-to-use web platform that informs your management team that maintenance and operations are aligned with your ROI target. Let's see how ECOAZUR works under the hood. The ECOAZUR demand control system consists of a network of intelligent devices that easily adapts to any kitchen or hood configuration. Temperature and optic sensors continuously monitor the cooking activity below each hood and relay the information to a nearby hub, which in turn communicates with a central processor. The ECOAZUR processor is responsible for analyzing real-time sensor data, calculating optimal airflows, as well as controlling ventilation equipment. Many additional variables are taken into account, such as schedules, ventilation modes, building management system signals, air balancing constraints, and more. Everything is handled seamlessly and allows your kitchen staff to focus on what matters most, and in a quieter environment. That makes for some pretty happy chefs and happy teams. But apart from better work conditions for kitchen staff, did you know that ECOAZUR can help you save money? Let's find out how. Professional kitchens tend to require a maximum ventilation for only short periods of time throughout the day. Substantial energy savings occur when ECOAZUR takes control. For example, at the beginning of a typical day, when cooking appliances are turned on, the hood temperature starts to rise. ECOAZUR automatically turns on the hood lights and sets the exhaust fan to a minimal airflow rate, typically as low as 30%. As the temperature continues to fluctuate throughout the day, ECOAZUR continuously adjusts the exhaust fan speed until the optimal exhaust airflow rate is met. This means that at any point in time, you can save up to 97% on fan energy and up to 70% on heating and cooling of replacement air, all while relieving mechanical load and stress on the ventilation equipment. When an exhaust fan is modulating at such a low speed, ECOAZUR's optical detection is key to maintaining a safe and healthy working environment, as well as avoiding unpleasant hood spills. ECOAZUR's sophisticated blue light beam measures the emissions of smoke, vapor, or other cooking byproducts and increases the exhaust rate only when necessary. What's more, the IB optic sensors are elegantly designed for the harshest hood environments, with a waterproof and grease-proof stainless steel machined enclosure, which requires little to no maintenance. But what about multiple hoods, you ask? We've got an answer for that. Even the best hood sensor technology may not be enough when multiple hoods share a common exhaust fan. The overall exhaust airflow will always be driven by the most demanding hood. ECOAZUR overcomes this common design constraint with its patent-pending modulating dampers. This technology independently controls the exhaust rate of each hood and generates outstanding energy savings. Imagine being able to achieve full airflow capacity of a hood in less than 4 seconds while saving on all other hoods. The damper's unique retractable design requires no cutting and no welding of greasy ducts. They are safe and simple to install, even in retrofit applications. In order to orchestrate such innovative damper technology, ECOAZUR relies on distributed intelligence, the HC hood controllers. These compact controllers continuously monitor the pressure behind the hood filters and control the exhaust airflow using the modulating dampers. They also manage hood sensors, hood lights, as well as supply air VAV boxes. Should a fire occur or a VFD system be switched to bypass mode, all dampers and fans are safely forced to their fail-safe states. Now that we've covered our modulating dampers, let's dive into how to leverage the power of ECOAZUR's data. With our cloud-based monitoring platform, you can remotely monitor your ECOAZUR system to instantly make changes to ventilation levels, as well as adjust fan speeds and modulating dampers. You can even access in-depth analytics and reports to gain insight into how to optimize your ventilation and benchmark one's kitchen's performance. ECOAZUR offers remote assistance, simple dashboards and email notifications to the right person on your team to ensure that your kitchen ventilation systems keeps working like a well-oiled machine. So what are you waiting for? It's time to say goodbye to your most energy-guzzling appliance, your kitchen ventilation system. Slash your energy costs, reduce GHG emissions, and improve your team's comfort. Only with ECOAZUR. ECOAZUR, take it to the blue level.